Are you looking for the best remote car starters? In this video we will look at some of the best remote car starters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Startex Remote Starter for Ranger. This remote starter kit is compatible with the 2015-19 Ford F-150. 2017-19 F-250, 2019 Ranger, 2018-19 Expedition, 2016-19 Edge, and 2014-19 Fusion. It's compatible with gas and diesel engines. No remote is included with the system, as you can start your vehicle from the factory remote. What's nice about this system is that because it's specifically meant for certain models, its installation is plug and play. Detailed instructions are included. It has a no honk feature, so you won't disturb your neighbors when starting your vehicle. Unfortunately, this system is not compatible with hybrid models. Your vehicle must also have an OEM hood pin for this system to work. You cannot control the climate of the vehicle with the remote, as climate control settings are automatically set to auto. You can't change this by leaving your air conditioning on high. It accomplishes this electronic wizardry by incorporating a plug-and-play device into the vehicle's existing wiring. From there, owners can press a sequence of buttons almost worthy of the Konami code to fire up their rig. Actually, it's a simple lock-unlock pattern. Pros: no extra key fobs required. Cons: don't forget a specific hood pin at installation. Number 2. Avital 4103LX Remote Start System. One great thing about the Avital 4103LX is that it has a triangular shape that maximizes the bottom layout, which makes it more ergonomic. And out of the box, you get 2 remote transmitters with this purchase that each contains 4 buttons. There is a handy green LED light at the top of each removed transmitter that will light on whenever you perform an action. Additionally, you also have a panic mode with this remote car transmitter. What this does is flash your parking lights as well as sound the alarm when you press it. There is also a valet mode that keeps the vehicle running even after removing the key to allow valets to drive it off. Configuring this system should also be straightforward for you, because besides the detailed instructions, it is also bit-writer programmable. For newer vehicles, this system seems to require extra accessories like a bypass module. The good news is that it is clearly stated on the description, and so you can easily order it with the remote car starter system. For newer vehicles, you will need to bypass your vehicle's security system by installing a bypass module to use this remote car starter. Pros: more ergonomic buttons, fairly easy configuration, handy panic mode, equipped with a valet mode, green LED lights on every time you perform an action. Cons: require additional installation accessories. Number 3. Viper 5706 volts 2-way car security with remote start system. With the 4 auxiliary channels on the Viper 5305 volts, it will allow for convenient expansion to allow you to add other functions such as turning on the rear window defogger. And this means with this remote car starter you get more control over the car in your hand. This system also comes with an interactive backlit LCD that will let you know if the vehicle responds to your command or not. There are also some nice icons on the LCD screen that will alert you when different security features are activated. The 6-tone siren has a 128 decibels noise rating that makes it super loud so that you never miss it. And it is also weatherproof for use in any conditions. And security is also guaranteed, as this system has a supercode remote encryption and several other security features. Many motorists will also appreciate the shock sensor, as it is highly effective at alerting you in case someone or something bumps into the vehicle. When compared to other options on our remote car starter reviews, the quarter-mile range is relatively shorter, but for most vehicle owners, it will still be way more than enough. Pros: expandable functions, remote encryption for extra security, loud enough and weatherproof siren, convenient and interactive LCD, highly effective shock sensor. Cons: shorter operation range. Number 4. Compustar RCS920S. RCS920S, one-way remote start and keyless. This remote start system comes with two remotes. It comes with the wiring harness and hardware necessary for installation. It works within a 1,000-foot range. Each remote is one-way and has 4 control buttons. The system is safe for a diesel engine. It also includes a CM900 control module. The remotes enable you to do more than just start your car. You can also lock and unlock your car doors and open the trunk. With additional buttons, you can program additional features, such as engaging the horn, enabling a passive, active security system, and working power sliding doors. Unfortunately, this system is only compatible with an automatic transmission. The wiring diagrams and installation instructions included with the system are incomplete. If you try to get more information from the company, it'll direct you to an authorized dealer for professional installation, which will cost more money. The full features include the ability to lock and unlock doors remotely and open the trunk. The range of the remote is up to 3,000 feet, making the CS4900S one of the best in its class. The remote start system can also be linked to a smartphone, allowing remote start without the key fob. As with several other remote start systems, the CS4900S lacks a display screen on the key fob, which some users found to be disadvantageous because it can be difficult to tell if the desired command was actually received and engaged. Linking to a smartphone eliminates this problem. Prows. Good control range. Uses a two-way remote system. Cons. You will need to add an ignition key bypass for newer models. Number 5. Crimestopper RS4G5 one-way remote start and keyless. The Crimestopper RS4G5 remote starter is designed for those who want to be able to customize their controls. The system includes the usual preset buttons on the two included remotes for opening the trunk, remote start, plus locking and unlocking. It also includes a 5th button that can be assigned to the function of your choice. Among the 31 programmable options are engine monitoring and tachometer features. The RS4G5 is compatible with both automatic and manual transmission vehicles and offers smartphone control if you also purchase the optional Mobile Start MS3 module. On the downside, the system lacks more advanced security features and only has an operating range of up to 2,000 feet. However, it's very attractively priced at only around $60, which makes it a tasty bargain. It's easy to install if you are automotive/electrical savvy, and it has an excellent range for an entry-level system. You can purchase a separate add-on that allows you to remote start your vehicle with your smartphone by downloading an app. The transmitters aren't too bulky, and the remote start brain is small enough to fit nicely inside the dash. Also, programming the options for the remote start is relatively easy. What we like: compatible with both manual and automatic transmissions. Good value for money. Great customization options. What we don't like: less range than other remote starters. Lacks advanced security features. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.